stairs. Don't run, don't push one another.
Yes, teacher.
Have you finished your homework?
Even if it was very difficult. I'll show it to you later. Now I'm going outside to buy a pack of chips.
But it's not so healthy. Here, take an apple instead.
Thanks, great idea. Now I'm going downstairs. There is a new exhibit with drawings.
On which subject?
Little sports, of course. Are you coming?
No thanks, I'm upset because the teacher rejected my work.
Sorry for you. See you later.
How about some football or basketball?
You're kidding? It's very cold outside. Let's play some chess.
You're right. Let's visit the gymnasium to ask for it.
Hello children, how may I help you?
I need a science book, please. We have to pass a test.
I need to search on the internet something about Comenius projects.
You may go to the first computer, George. Here you are, Paul. Good luck.
Thank you, madam. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Have a nice day.